In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a grunge texture to Canva. If you want your design to look a little more worn-in, vintage, or rugged, a grunge texture is a quick way to add character without rebuilding your layout. Start by opening your design in Canva so you can see your text, photos, or graphics on the canvas. Having your main elements already in place will make it easier to judge how much texture you need and where it should go. Next, head over to the Elements tab on the left side. In the search bar, type keywords like grunge, distress texture, worn effect, or sandpaper. Each term returns slightly different looks. Some are speckled and dusty. Others have scratches, tears, or rough edges. Take a moment to scroll and preview a few options. Choose a texture that complements your design rather than overwhelms it. Denser textures can create a heavy industrial feel, while lighter ones add just a hint of age. Now, apply the texture to your design by clicking and dragging it onto the canvas. Drop it directly over the text or images you want to weather. Resize it so the distressed areas sit where you want that worn effect to appear. You can rotate it slightly to break up any repeating patterns and keep it looking natural. To create that classic knockout, chipped paint vibe. This makes the texture blend into a white or light background and appear as if parts of the text or image are missing. If your background isn't white, choose the version of the texture that's compatible with your background color. Then recolor it to match the backdrop you are using so it cuts through convincingly. Next, adjust the layering so the texture affects the right elements. Select the texture, then use the position tool to move it to the front. Keeping it on top ensures the distressed look shows on the text or image underneath. If your design has multiple layers, double-check that the texture is above only the elements you want to distress. Finally, lower the transparency to fine. Tune the mood. A higher opacity creates a bold, gritty scrape, while a lighter transparency gives a more subtle, weathered fade. Slide it until the texture enhances your message without making it hard to read. That's it. Thanks for watching.